The AI game changed completely today with OpenAI releasing GPT 5.5. When you look at the benchmark, it's not even a competition anymore. Terminal bench, it's 10% or even more than Claude Opus 4.7 and would be more than Mythos, which is supposed to be the biggest AI model yet. And apparently, GPT 5.5 took over. Now, I don't know, because we are getting really close to the 100% on most of the markers. So I'm quite worried about like what's going to happen next. So in this video, I'm not going to just go through all the benchmark and everything. We're going to do a real business test about what can GPT 5.5 do, because I saw some examples where I was really impressed, like this guy that created a web page that update depending of the wind. So if you know one or two things about development, this is actually super hard to do as it involves physics. But we are going to do a test with sales, and we are going to do a test with building website, and maybe we will have a third test that will be the sweet bonus. So let's go start with a funny one. We are going to create a sales page based on GPT 5.5. And I'm giving them the exact same prompt. On the right side, GPT 5.5 Pro. On the left side, we have 5.4 Pro. They need to rate a great sales page in Gary Halbert style about themselves. GPT 5.5 is already done. It went faster than 5.4, but then it went over the top. I thought I would get a document. I don't think I asked for a website. Oh, I did. We got the whole enchilada here. Oh my God, this is crazy. Oh, I can click here and see the detail of those activities. Writing the files, cool. I don't know why this one is still working. It's been ages. Section 4. Because I don't want to compare like coding between web and desktop app. I don't think that would be the most fair comparison. Whoa, guys, I had time to not do a match. Wow, this took 10 minutes? Finally, I have the zip though. 5.4, I don't know if they nuke it on purpose today, but hey, I still don't have anything. Let's see the results. Okay, our website is live. It's not easy. What was that animation? Meet GPT 5.5. The machine that eats messy works for breakfast. Design is still not good for GPT 5.5, but I have to say the rest is insane. All the little animations you see, you didn't have it before. Like this looks way better. Now, if you forget about the visual aspect, it's better. Now let's check the copy. If your to-do list looks like a crime scene, your tabs breathe like rabbits, your backlog, that's pretty cool. The copy is quite nice so far. Get this, most software wants your attention. GPT 5.5 wants your workload. That's the difference. This slaps. Copies, it's not like without having done any research. Let's see if we run it on mobile. Yeah, mobile works. That's pretty good. Now we are going to do step 2, where we want even more than that. We want explosions everywhere, sparkles that impress grandma when we're gonna show her our own work. On the right side, we are going to put a GPT. And on the left side, I'm gonna change that to be sure. I'm gonna put extra high. Here, we wanna be sure as well, we're gonna put model 5.4 extra high. We're gonna give them the same prompt, which is build a crazy website for a sleep tracker called Dreamlab. Whatever it could be. Hey, you could raise money after that. We don't know. I'm gonna send it. I added a little special touch at the end. It's like it's your own project. answer your own question, be fully autonomous. I don't want to talk with AI today. I had enough. And now we're gonna let it work. I'm disappointed. I wanted to do the wow effect. I went downstairs to get a coffee, and we have GPT-5 that finished. The other one is still working. So this was built in 10 minutes. Again, I think if we forget about like the design elements, which OpenAI still do not have so much style, we have insane things. Like, this is crazy that I can interact with the website like that. Now I know this is not gonna get me the ladies if I show that, but hey, leave a man being happy with what he vibe coded. It's pretty cool. It keeps opening a blank page. Oh my God. What do we have? Sleep rendered in real time. Lucid bias. This is all BS, right? But like, hey. Oh, look at that. Drift, REM pulse. They create all those. This is truly beautiful. In the way where we can push things, like this is another step forward. I will still not use GPT. This is GPT 5.4 slow. Oh, this one. Okay. Antoine, you've been doing it wrong. This is live tasting review, guys. I don't want to do the fake thing with stage, you know? So we have those two side by side now. We have Dreamlab 5.5 and Dreamlab 5.4. I mean, I thought it was opening a new page just before, right? But like we can clearly see that 5.5 is better as a page in terms of design. Now, in terms of activities, it doesn't look as good on the right side as well. And in here, it seems to be more interactive. Like this one, do I feel, is it? My mouse is a little bit interactive, but I don't know exactly how. Otherwise, really, again, really similar design. Like it doesn't change how GPT does its design. Stop spamming the page. Stop. Let's go for funny side mission where we're gonna create a website for a HVAC company in a random city. They all have a website. Let's do for those guys. Trade Spain and Sons. They seem trustworthy. Let's get them a brand new website. And we're gonna go back. I'm gonna put the same prompt on the left and the right. And here we're gonna do a more professional website. I don't know those guys. If you know them, you can send them the website at the end. If it looks good, I will be happy to give it to them for free. So I can see on the right side, he start to use the front-end skill and some other ones, while the one on the left will not specially do it. So we have the plan here, okay. It's on fast, but hey, it's gonna have the full behavior, left and right, same. And that's where I did a mistake on the right side, where it's even more complicated for this instance to run because it's checking my other folders that have nothing to do with it. So created one, okay, perfect. Create failing behavior, okay, implement client side booking. All right, let's see. Oh, it's search on Google Map as well. Here on the left side, on the right side, we get a run npm test, and we start to see an export function running. We run another npm test for GPT 5.5, which gonna be the instant quote calculator. While on our left side, we have GPT 5.4 that is still trying to Google things and understand how Google Map works. One ambiguity matters, it says, for the quote and booking flow. Should instant pricing cover only reason? We don't care. Just figure it out, because on the right side, we are already close to have our pricing calculator. Now we see that we have on the left side, it starts to be okay. We got the line of budget. This is good. Now on the right side, we are back here with a test that failed, but it's changing. Oh, la, 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 la. We got 120 lines of codes written in an instant. This is beautiful. It's adapting it to find the best way. Here on the left side, we start to see Bandera, Texas. Yes, this was randomly chosen again. Do not worry. One day your city will be chosen. And there we go, here we go, here we go. The core behavior is green. I'm now adding the branded static pages, the SVG logo, responsive styling, and dumb wiring for calculators, update, slot selection, step validation, confirmation, and the croissant Easter egg. I don't know if you caught that in the prompt, but of course, we gotta do it. I'm just having fun. I would love to do that format. Let me know in the comments. We have something that opened already. Who finished that? Who finished that? Who did that? I don't know who did that, but this is disgusting. I would be ashamed if I showed this to the customer. This is some kind of like, look at that, like you took the Anthropic guideline or what? Like, what is that? What is that? What is that? 10 digit. Okay, let me give you more digit. We have at least AC repair. Okay, heating service this week. Oh, that's pretty cool. We have a, this is stage. So that's the quote calculator is cute. Now, I'm not going to validate the design. I hate it to the core. I don't know who finished it yet because they launched it. Oh, that's probably 5.4 that is doing a test run right now. That's 5.4. And I hope it is. This to me looks like 5.4 behavior. Already done for GPT 5.5. Okay, run keyboard implemented. Did he open the page? No, please, no. Not you, GPT 5.5, no you. Why you did this to me? No, not this kind of design. Like you could have just take all their design. Like why you did this? Oh my God. Same day. At least the calculator is working. We got this. Continue to address La La Land. Request stage Antoine the Great. AC repair requested this pencil for Monday, 1 p.m. Planning estimate. Trace paint song. Configure finance code by phone. Well, this is good, but like, this is not bad. No, I'm genuinely disappointed. Like you did beautiful thing just before, and wasted on the last one. You just don't know how to design. And where's the croissant? Where is the croissant? Easter egg. I'm not gonna try to find it by myself. In the contact section at the bottom. All right. Let's go down to the bottom. Contact section, tiny bakery switch. Okay. Well, that's not gonna be the funniest comedic event we ever had. And you on my left side, did you finish? Like, I might just code myself at this point. And 5.4 is out. Same shitty design, but a bit shittier. I don't know why they didn't just get all the data from the website directly. Like, it should have done that. Anyway, okay. Took 15 minutes for that. I disappointed my parents in less than that, but hey, we're still good now. 5.5 is a major upgrade, for sure. But for design, don't even think about it. Just don't. For coding, really good. Researching, pretty good. Copy, pretty good. Design, nah. That's like comparing French fashion with German fashion. You just can't compare. And if you want to see a cool thing actually is how GPT 5.5 will change your experience with AI agents, because they just integrated in Hermes. And I love it. Check out this video.